While this might be the easiest seafood recipe you will ever cook, it will also be one of the best. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue. Today we're making grilled carabinero prawns on the Arteflame. We have some beautiful carabinero prawns here. They also sometimes go under the name scarlet shrimp or cardinal prawns. And they're large deep-sea prawns native to the Mediterranean and to the East Atlantic. It's important that we devein them, so I like to make a little cut on the top back and then cut it open with a pair of scissors. And then we're going to use a pair of tweezers to remove the digestive tract. The prawns are now ready, so let's get to grilling. When the plancha is hot, we're going to spread a large amount of flaky sea salt on top, and then we're going to start grilling the prawns. We want to grill them for about 90 seconds, and then we're going to flip them over, and then we're going to cook them for another minute or so. Do not overcook these prawns. There's a special place in hell for people that overcook these amazing prawns. Then it's time to remove them, and they're ready to serve. And that is how I make my grilled carabinero prawns. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this. And here's the trick to eating them. You want to twist the head, and then this is just packed with all kinds of flavors. So you want to make sure that you suck everything out. So here we go. There is stupid amount of flavor in this. And then we have a beautiful tail cooked perfectly. Wow. This is so good. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.